Let's see how to set up Tenda AC1200 Smart Dual Band Wi-Fi Router. Now connect the internet cable between Wi-Fi router and ONU. Then go to mobile and connect mobile to the new Tenda router network. This is the name of your Tenda router Wi-Fi network. Now go to Tenda router IP address 192.168.0.1. Now select your connection type. I have an ISP connection, so I select PPPoE. Then you need to enter your username and password, which is provided by the internet service provider. And you can set up a password for your Wi-Fi. Then you can change the Wi-Fi name of the router. Then the Wi-Fi router will reboot. Now go to mobile Wi-Fi settings. And this is your new Wi-Fi network. Connect your Wi-Fi with your new password. Now all the setup is complete and it is working.